So here we are live at the Taj Mahal in Agra. This is pretty special. I've been over in India looking at spice markets for the last week. Obviously possibly seen some photos and videos, but the highlight of the trip today, the last day of the trip, the Mrs. Rogers team is live at the Taj Mahal. It's pretty impressive. It's 6:45 in the morning here, and the crowds are building, but that is absolutely impressive. I'm not sure how well it's coming in on the video there, but it's amazing. I'll just quickly turn around. That's where we've come from. So that's the classic photo that you see looking down the water there, and there is the majestic Taj Mahal. You'll see, maybe possibly see in the video, that the dome is actually slightly duller than the marble at the bottom. That's because it's been cleaned. It's going to take a long time to clean, apparently. My tour guide said that it's been done twice in his lifetime, when he was a boy. And a couple of different things. So those pillars that are on the left hand side, you'll see they're slightly tilted out. That's because the architect, when he designed this, in case there was an earthquake, he wanted the pillars to fall away from the Taj Mahal. So it is actually the tomb of one of the wives of one of the Indian kings. I'm probably getting all of this history wrong, but you can look it up. Just look it up on Google. It's just impressive being here. It's amazing. The video will not be doing it justice in any way, shape or form. And there's monkeys and an eagle came by before. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Taj Mahal. It's absolutely stupendous, absolutely amazing. Just a very quick look around here. Many tourists. And I'm going to sign off now and we'll go inside. See you later.